Hey guys, today I'm gonna be reviewing dope slimes. So in the package I got some suckers, his business cards, and a baggie of borax. The business cards are his slime line and putty line, and then I also got the 3 slimes that I ordered and an extra slime. First up, we have Frozen Lemony Twist. It is a snow fizz slime and came marbled orange and yellow, and it is scented like lemon. So after I activated it, it took a lot of activator. It was still sticky after I activated it, but overall it had a nice texture, very stretchy and crunchy and sizzly. So I definitely recommend this slime. Next up we have Gushers. Gushers is a jelly slime texture that is red, green, orange, and blue, and it is scented like the name. So this slime holds its shape really well, as you can see here, and the texture is a really squishy, fun, stretchy texture. It has no wet feeling, and I really love this slime. It's a great texture, great bubble pops, and definitely recommend this slime. This slime gets so poofy. This next slime is an extra slime that I got in the package. It is a cloud slime that I don't know what the scent was, but it smelled really good. The texture did have a slight wet feeling and did leave a little residue on my hands, but other than that, it was a really nice cloud slime. It drizzled very well. I just wanted to point out that it did have a wet residue, because I believe he uses this texture for a lot of his clouds. As you can see here, there is some snow on my fingers, but if you just kind of pat the slime and don't poke it, the snow will come off. Last but not least, we have S'mores Frapp. It came with an 8-ounce base with a little bit of clay for the whipped cream, and it came in a 32-ounce container, which I thought was really unique. And it also came with some sprinkles and a Starbucks charm. The whipped cream was just some white soft clay. The s'mores part was a nice clay slime. It was scented like s'mores and had a really nice texture. It was super soft and stretchy. So once it was all mixed together, it made a really dense clay slime. It had really nice pokes, it was very stretchy, and it inflates so much. Just so you guys know, when you inflate a slime, it usually gets really sticky. That means that you have inflated it a lot though, so all you have to do is just put a little activator on your hands and it should be fine. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button for more videos like these. Hope you enjoyed watching.